everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Great little car, guys, man. This is the factory color combination. It's white with the two-tone blue and white pony interior. Great little car, man. Sorry, let those trucks pass by. Car's out of Tennessee. It's an older restoration. It's about 10, 12 years old on the resto, but it's only got a couple thousand miles on it since it was done. The car was completely disassembled when it was built. They did a beautiful job on the car. Just a great car, guys. It's got a good stance to it. You can see it's got a set of Weld Drag Lite wheels on it. It's got a 302 roller motor in it with an automatic overdrive trans, disc brakes on the front. Just a pretty little car. Actually, a buddy of mine out of Tennessee is the one who got this car for me. He said he's seen this car several times at the little local shows and cruises, and it's just a good car, man. Runs and drives good. Nice little pony. Paint slick. Trim is very nice on the car. Sorry, guys, a little smudge there. Didn't see a whole lot you could really pick at on it. Nice car. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's a few little marks on it, just like there is on any, guys. None of these things are perfect. But I dig it, man. Car's just got a good, clean look. Nice drivetrain. It's got the GT gas filler there, but it's not a GT. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Good looking set of wheels on it. It's got the big and little, so it's got a little bigger tire on the rear than it does on the front. Sorry, guys, just a little dust. It get dusty out here quick, man, with all this traffic. That's a pretty car, though. Again, real nice set of welds. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. Does have the disc brakes. Again, this is a 302 full roller motor. You can see it's got a billet air cleaner and valve covers on it, Holley 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got a flame thrower distributor on it. Look how detailed this car is in the engine compartment. Griffin aluminum radiator. Pretty car, man. The original VIN is still there. Automatic overdrive trans. It's got electric cooling fan on it. Yeah, I dig this car, man. Very cool car. And you know, the nice thing about this car, you don't have to break the bank. You know, it's going to be priced reasonable and fun car to go cruising and not break the bank. A-pillar chrome's nice. This is actually a remote mirror. Door handles are nice. There's your door tag. I like the factory two-tone interior. Yeah, again, it's got the remote mirror. I really dig the pony interior. Those seats are all redone. Did a nice job when they did that. Bucket seats. That's a removable console. How nice the seats are. A couple little cracks in the steering wheel. 2363 on the odometer. That's all that car has on it since the car was restored. It's got all the phantom face gauges. Say that 3 times real fast. Aftermarket radio, dual exhaust. It's just a stock rear end. There's no big monster gear or anything in it, so it's definitely something you can get on the expressway and cruise. They've removed, put the battery in the trunk, relocated it, I guess you should say. It does have the spare. See, it's all detailed up in here. Good car, guys. We got it up in the air, got some real good pictures of the underside for you. Real nice underneath. The rear end's all powder coated. Yeah, good car, man. This car is just clean. Everywhere you look, man, it's just nice. Whoever did, rebuilt the car did a great job. The seats are beautiful. Dash is nice. That's just a good car right there, guys. So he's got to find which key starts it. It's a Ford, he's not used to that. Got full roller motor. He's in there waving at me like he knows what he's doing. Motor sounds good, nice and tight. Gets its R's quick. It's got some power. Yeah, Jason did say the voltmeter's acting up, but your fuel gauge works, speedo works, all your other gauges are working. That's a good car, man. It's on. It's got power. We just got to get a station, but it works. Blower motor, Jay?
Yes.
Blower motor does work, guys. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good car right there, man. Have a great day, guys.